Hello everyone. This application is all about timesheet calendar. This module is useful to manage timesheet by weekly, monthly and daily. You can schedule the timesheet activity by providing the project name, the task name and the duration of that particular project and the task, that is the start time, end time and the duration will be calculated automatically. And once everything is given, you can save that, and based on that the timesheet calendar will be set. And now I will show how this application will be working. This is for Odoo 17 version Enterprise. First, we need to go to the timesheet module, and here in the timesheet module, I am right now in grid view. I am be going to the calendar view. You can see here, you can go to calendar view. Here you can see there is a month, so day, week, month and year. So based on all these four options, you will be able to set up the timesheet calendar. So first I will go to the day, and today at 7 o'clock I will be scheduling one project, that is renovation, and I will select the task and I will give the date. So based on the date it will take the date, and if you want to alter the date you can select the date and time. So this is date, start time and end time you can give, and hours spent. So so for today to I'm giving for tomorrow. So based on that it will calculate the hours spent on this particular project and task, and I will save and close. So once this is done, if you click on this particular day, that is 14, you will be able to see this timesheet calendar will be created. Clicking on that, you can see all the information. You can click on edit, and if you want to edit anything, you can edit. So if you want to give any description for this particular task, you can provide the description, and clicking on the validate, it will be validated. If you want to reset to draft again for changing any timings, then you can click on the reset to draft and you can change the timings and click on validate. So once that is done, you can see there is a save and close. So this will be updated in your daily timesheet calendar. So if you want to do it for a week, then you can click on this particular week and you can schedule from which week to which. So I'll give select the project as renovation and give the task as the room one paint, and I will give the date. So the start date will be from Monday, that is the 13th May to the next week of Monday, that is 20th May, and the timing. So based on this, you can see the hours spent will be calculated. Is there any description? You can just click on this particular field and add the description and save and close. So once this is completed, if you go to the month calendar, you will be able to see from 13th to 20th, this event is, that is the timesheet calendar has been done. If you want to delete this particular, then you can click on this delete button and this calendar will be deleted. Similarly, you can create it for a month also, and similarly, you can create it for year also. So for a month, if you have any of the projects, that is, I will click on internal and meeting. And if I have any meeting, then I will be putting up the same in the description and date and time, everything, and hours spent. So from which time to which time you can see, and I'll be saving and closing this. So for the month also, you can schedule this, and for year, so if you click on this particular, you can see all the calendar in one of the page, that is the year calendar. So for August month, if you want to do any project or you want to schedule any timesheet calendar, you can just click on that particular date and you can give on which date you are scheduling this calendar, and you can select the task and you can give the description. So all the information will be filled up and you can save and close. So once you come to the month, you can see from here this month is blocked and this date is blocked. So based on this, you can see whichever date you have created, that will be blocked or it will be in this particular color. And similarly, if I go to the list view of this particular calendar, you can see here the events will be calculated. It will be coming up here like this. So based on the hour spent also, it will be showing like from which date or from start time and end time, and for which project, which task, what is the description of that particular project or task, and what is the hour spent. Everything will be coming up in the listed view. So this is regarding the timesheet calendar, where we will be where we will be putting up the timesheet for a month, year, daily, weekly, for everything. So if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.